32 mil. You see that? Okay, and it's gonna be right here. See these?
Huh?
Make sure you get my bald spot in there.
Okay.
Oh, we look.
Yeah, it's good.
See that side? That side always comes to this side. Then when you pull it out, it'll be like that. Okay, so you know which way to put it in. Not this, where I've just put it. Okay, it's that one. Not that first one. Put it one down. Don't be fooled. Okay, one down. Just like that. Squeeze. Now the problem is there's no dipstick, so now I have to wait till the car gets to operating temperature to then for the car to tell me, oh, you're at this level. How fucking hard is it to put a dipstick? Reset possible. Hold that down. Perform reset. Yep, hold it down. Reset in progress. Keep holding it. Keep holding it.
End of your production.
Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are doing the oil change on this car. Okay, so first thing first, take the cap off over here. There we go. Crack that mush. Ooh, like new. Actually, let's put this to the. Let's just leave it on like that. Right. Then you're gonna need a 32 mil. Okay, right there, 32 mil. You see that? Okay, and it's gonna be right here. So you're gonna need a bendy thing to get it, because if you just try and do it with it, there won't be any angle. It's in a weird position, right? So you're gonna need a bend here. Give it a bit of a bend. Then, right there, so you see it. Once it's got mush, you spread it. There we go. You see it there, see, from this angle, right there. I'm just cracking it. This thing's fucking tight out. Right, once that's, let me just see if his hand. Fucking bitch. Fucking weird position. Just want to see if his hand doable. Must be undoable now. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so don't take it out yet. I'm going to take it out whilst the oil is draining. Alright, so under here, I've been bending the flap. Okay, the flap is very annoying on this. Okay, so get that. Let me get gloves as well because they'll come straight down. 1 second, please. How are we looking now? Right, it's going to be a 17 mil, okay? Right, so you sit down. Sit on the flap. See the flap? See this flap? You got to keep just fucking bending it like this. You seeing this? Just keep bending this flap. Because once you take it off, it's just gonna, it'll be like this, and then you'll bend it, and then it'll close again. And once you pull the oil out, it's gonna slowly just do this. Just fucking bend it like this. So it's just gonna run off this. It's such a fucking arsehole design. A fucking piece of shit being done. And then the bolt is right there as well, so it just goes all over yourself. Not like the side ones. Fuck off. I know it's once I unloosen that. Actually, this will be alright. Shit. Dust. One sec. Wait, what? That's tight. There we go. Fucking flap. I hope this bucket doesn't overfill. It does take 6.5. I don't know how much this bucket carries. See? There's a leak. I might drop it here now, mate. See? Huh?
Ah! No.
What?
No, I put my finger in it, blacked out.
Oh gosh. I'm gonna drop this on the ground. Got it, Sadiq. Right, yeah, that flap's gonna stay there. But I hope this bucket doesn't overfill. I don't think this bucket's big enough, see? See, get me a tissue. Make sure you get my bald spot in there.
Okay.
Oh, we look.
Yeah, look at
I don't know, Sadiq. It doesn't look like it's easy now. Oh, I should be alright. Fucking. Right, here's the bolt anyway. In this kit comes a new washer. New washer here. But to be honest, the old washer looks as good. Okay, so if your kit doesn't come with it, actually it does feel squashed. Okay, so you gotta zoom in here.
you zooming in it?
Right, see, it's got a lip on it there. It's been squashed compared to that one, yeah. So replace that. And now it's alright, so we got a bucket. Right, so now put that off. Could have fucking sworn this was hand. Actually, do I need the glove? No. Ah, there we go. Get the fucking angle on it, Bosh. There. Fucking this. That's right, BMW did it. Ah, they love to. It's complicated things. Everything's just in awkward fucking places. No room. Plastic shit everywhere. Piece of shit. Really, I'm gonna pull this out and grip. So I have to feel it come up with it. Ooh, shit. Once I pulled that out, did you hear that?
Yeah.
I'm just holding it, waiting. For the little droplets. Take nails alright, I think putting it back in with a fucking ball like that. Fucking shit. I fucking stay out. You didn't need it doing. Leave that, let me just clean up the circumference. Oh, fuck around. Right, Sadiq, how are we looking?
Mm-hmm.
That's still grainy. Yeah, bucket was big enough. So now, Sadiq, be vigilant. Right, off there. Sit down, Sadiq, take it easy, mate. That. Pull that. And see that side? That side always comes to this side. Then when you pull it out, it'll be like that, okay? So you know which way to put it in. Okay, the bubbly side out this way, that side. Make sure it clicks. That is, yeah, the old one. That is the new one. And layers of layers of. Look at that. Right, yeah. Actually, you know what? How the fuck? Shit. Clean it up a bit. Get it on first. Right, so Sadiq, it's not this where I've just put it, okay? It's that one. Not that first one, put it one down. Don't be fooled, okay? One down, just like that. Now, let's see. Just need to make it a bit slippery, just so when I do put it in, it doesn't pinch. Because of the slipperiness, it'll slide off. Is that still dripping? Still dripping. Okay. Right. So it's gonna have a hole. So it's a bit of an awkward car. You just drop it in. You gotta find that hole, and then. Beautiful. Straight in. Get it and. Is that oh, I think it's cross-threaded it. One sec. Get it nice and flush. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get the toolie on it. You can see it from here, see, from this angle, if you go down. There she go. There she go, man. She's spinning, man. Oh. Oh, we're getting tired now. You know what? If I can't take it off with me, I'm fucking away. Right, so now the bolt here, that stops dripping. Make sure there's a leak. I don't need that. Put a lid on it. So you remember what happened when I was doing Haldex?
Yeah.
Change. On the S3. Spilled all the fucking fluid because it was open. Your fault, you piece of shit.
Definitely remember.
I'm joking, so you can bad for a fucking kid. Still dripping. Fuck. Oh. I'm dripping a little bit. So you get me a glove.
Yes.
Beautiful. There we go. There she goes. Alright, get it hand tight so it can't go anywhere, and so just get me a brake clean. There we go. Alright, what's the lens leak?
Oof.
Oh, fuck's sake. Get it in there. That'll do. Oh, that's fucked. Oh, that is fucked. Right, so that's done. Brake clean that. Now, tightens the that's snug. Just a few like that much. And then flip that off underneath there. Give me flights. Oh, dude, I'm fucking going nowhere. Right, we're in it. Right, let's pull this out. It needed a service in like, I think 3,000 something miles. What are they doing now? Yeah, the bucket was big enough. Alright, I'll be looking at it. So, we'll just pour that down drain. Right, so now it'll take about 6.5, 6 pots around there. I'll send you, so the whole of this will be going in. What I'll do, I'll take it off the jacks, make the car flat again, and then pour it over. I'll go dispose of this on my local garage, which I'm gonna. So I tied all that up, all of that, that's tight there. So now it'll take about, I don't know, it'll take 6.5 to 6.6. The whole of this is going in though, I know that. The whole of this 5 litres. Oh my. Is it all gone? The whole of this. Squeeze. Squeeze. And this. Let's see. I'll put a bit of this, and I'll just check it. Then if I need a top up, and then also another problem: no dipstick. So you have to wait until. See what's happening. So now let me wash my hands and then we'll check it. Now the problem is there's no dipstick, so now I have to wait till the car gets to operating temperature to then for the car to tell me, oh, you're at this level. How fucking hard is it to put a dipstick? Fucking new cars. I'll put the cap on. Actually, that is a fucking mess up there. All you do is press that. Right. Let everything just do itself. Service due. Right. So when that screen pops up, then all I'm going to do over here, hold this down. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Brake fluid reset possible. Nope. Click the next one. Engine reset possible. Hold that down. Perform reset. Yep, hold it down. Reset in progress. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. reset successful. Look, now the next oil change is in 18,000. Let me just check what else. Rear brake pads 17,000, front brake pads 34,000. Vehicle check on the third. Vehicle check, what's the vehicle check? That's not MOT, is it? Vehicle check. I did change the spark plugs in 130 miles. Fuck that, I'll reset that. I don't know what. Perform reset. Hold it. It's in orange anyway, so reset the fuck out of that. Alright, 36k. Brake fluids reset button. No, I haven't done anything to that. Nothing anywhere else. That'll be okay. Okay, so once that's done, set ignition. Right, so now press the brakes. And now we go over here, Sadiq. Go into my vehicle status, and tire pressure, engine oil, measure engine oil, and for fuck's sake, I can't check it. Well, you focus on that. So now I need to wait till the car gets up to temperature to check the fucking oil if it needs more or less. Okay, but that's how you reset your. Oh fucking hell. The shit out of me. Right, but that's how you reset your engine oil and change your oil. I now have to wait now till it heats up. Fucking shit. Just give me a dipstick. Alright, so I'll, if it needs top up, I'll top it up. I'll see you in the next one.
I'm a different kind of chick. Oh, nah, nah, nah.